Hi guys, Mark here. Today I want to cover rules 90 to 94, fitness to drive. Rule 90 states that you must make sure you're fit to drive. Nah, not that kind of fit. You can't have any medical conditions that would affect your driving. When filling in provisional driving license application form, you are asked about some of them. But illness is not the only thing that could affect your driving. Rule 91 mentions tiredness. Being really tired may greatly increase your risk of collision. People die because of falling asleep behind the wheel. Highway code gives some advice on staying alert. Just common sense stuff. Plan journeys during the day. Have a good night's sleep before long journeys. Plan regular stops, roughly every 2 hours. If you feel sleepy, stop in a safe place and have a nap. Power naps really do work. Even a 15-minute nap can seriously recharge your batteries. Coffee or energy drink after that may help as well. So will cocaine or amphetamine. Just kidding. It's actually legal to take drugs and drive, and we'll cover that in the next episode. Another extremely important factor is vision. You must be able to read a number plate from 20 meters. Last two rules give you very good advice. Slow down or even stop if you're dazzled by bright sunlight. And the last one, rule 94, don't wear your sunglasses at night.